and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can claim your NOTAI tokens. If you were mining this token or these tokens from the moment I posted the video demonstrating how to mine it, then it's high time you learn how to claim the tokens. So what you do is you log on, and this is what you're going to say. And then the next thing that you need to do is you click tap to claim. Okay, so check out, they'll say, okay, join Telegram channel, like Telegram posts. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you make sure that you do all these tasks. I had done them. I wonder why it shows that I haven't done them. So you can click them one by one, and you see I'm in. Okay, so there is even this news. I haven't been checking on these, you know what I'm saying? On Tuesday, September 17th at 5:30 p.m., we are taking over the spotlight space on the round table, one of the most hyped crypto shows on X with 2.5 billion monthly impressions. Okay, so we can head back. Okay, so that one is ticked. We can now click the third one. I did all these. And then we can move on to the fourth, which is the last. What did they just say about that? Like and repost. Are you in yet? NOTAI jam. I had reposted this. Okay, let me just hit quote, then repost. Boom, and then head back to NOTAI. So it's ticked as well. After doing all these, the next thing that I have to do is I confirm by checking in that I have completed all of the above tasks and agreed to the terms of the NOTAI airdrop. Click and then hit get airdrop. And then they're saying, congratulations, your rewards 45,725 NOTAI. Thank you for staying with us. Oh my God. How I wish I was that active, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's go ahead and click go to claim portal. And here we are. So the saying starts 18 in 10:15 GMT. You understand? So at 10:15 on the 18th of September, that's when the funds will actually show up here. Stay tuned. Make sure that you come back here on time and claim the tokens.